We're playing a rec room. This boy is Crollo. Yo, what's good, y'all? It's boy the Million, the Don, back in the cut with Chainsaw Man, episode 12, Katana versus Chainsaw. So I think this is gonna be, a fight or a rematch between Denji and that Katana dude. I guess, right? That's what they're calling him, Katana, the Sword Devil, or the Sword Hybrid, right? But yeah, we left off last with the special division. We saw these new members. They're crazy. The Shark Devil, the Violence Fiend, the Spider one, bro, the Angel Devil. Crazy squad we got, man. Including the guys that we already have. So yeah, right now Aki is facing off against Sawatari, it looks like. So he's getting choked out right now, so it's not looking too great. He has that new contract with the Future Devil though, so how that's gonna help him right now, not too sure. But I'm definitely interested to see. But yeah, man, this is the final episode for the season, I believe. So yeah, man, Chainsaw Man been a fire show, bro. So hopefully they conclude it pretty amazingly. I think they will. And yeah, we gonna check it out, man. Let's get into it. Chainsaw Man episode 12. Let go. Come on, Aki. Oh, ain't no way. Don't faint. Okay, need a little flashback. A little flashback boost. Hold on. Wait. Himeno. Hey, she's dead now, but like, hold on, man. Aki underage too? Okay, now, hold up. Hold up. Was that how long ago was this? You know what I mean? Is he still, how old is Aki, bro? I still don't know that. I think he's like maybe 18 or something, but I don't know. Oh, okay. So he illegal now. Okay. What happened? He got choked out, or what the heck? Why he was getting choked out? Why this stop? Oh, is it because it's Himeno's devil contract, or what? What happened? It just let go? Huh? Look, she don't know either. That's weird. Interesting. What happened? Because Himeno gave it everything, her everything. So maybe. Oh wow. What the heck? Okay, this is new. Easy revenge. Easy. Wait, was that all an act, or like is this? Does he have control of the Ghost Devil, or is the Ghost Devil gonna help him out? Look how she shook. Ooh, let's go, Aki. Yes, sir. Yeah. Ooh. Okay. It's still decapitation. Just know that. So he wasn't scared at all. So it just, I guess, didn't notice. But then he gave it the cigarette. So okay. Hey, let's go, Aki. Next. You next. Where that snake at? Cutting that up too. How did she even gain control of that thing, bro? Like, don't kill her. Who said that? Don't. Ooh, who that? Kobeni. How did she get there? What the heck? Need that bonus, yeah. Kobeni is different, bro. Okay, bunch of zombies in the elevator. Oh, wow. She said these I can defeat. Not impressed. This man Denji didn't even leave. He said I'm going to the next floor. Good tripping. Oh man, that's funny. Ooh, what's up? Round 2.
出た
Hello.
なもみあげマン
Yeah.
待て待て待て少し話
Ain't
せ
no talking, boy. Are you
あ
crazy?
デンジお前はこいつらの仲間と俺のじいちゃんを殺したその償いをしてほしい
てめえの仲間もじいちゃんもゾンビなってたから殺したんだぜ
嘘つくんじゃねえ学歴のねえバカすぐ嘘つきやがる
Alright, bro. That's when I'm pulling it. I ain't talking to you, boy.
そいつらを殺してお前は心が痛む
Bro, shut up. Who are you? You think you have any right to say anything?
刀の悪魔になっちまってるみてえだが
Okay,
そんな
confirmed.
俺でもなうっかりゾンビを殺しちまった夜には眠れなくなる
This guy's lying, bro. You just killed one of your freaking comrades. That's all.
でも人の良心が残ってるなら俺たちにおとなしく殺されね
やだ
Right. Let's go, man.
えかじゃあ切り殺してやるよ
All right, do
や
it.
ってみろよベ
Yeah, the heck? Should have been on site.
ーキ何俺を切り殺すんじゃねえのかよ
We got that. Come on. Dang. Okay. Come on now, Denji.
前よりは動けるみたいだがデンジお前は何のために戦ってる
Don't worry about it.
公安様はそんな大層な暮らししてんのか
口うるせえのとわがままなのがいるけどなそこそこ気に入ってるぜ
お前は俺には勝てね
Shit. Okay.
もう勝ったつもりでいんのか俺はまだ死んでねえぞ
Okay. Let's go.
どこ行ったおいおいおいおい
Ah. Come on, Denji. All that training with the Kishibe. Come on. This guy should not be this hard. Should he?
必死にしようぜそれ
Can we ban that move? Ooh. Dang, both arms. Denji. Dang. Really?
まだ戦えるぜ
うん
頭んチェーンソーが残ってるからね
Okay.
じいちゃんに教わらなかったか引き時ってやつをよ
What?
じいちゃんに謝罪しろ
ご丁寧に頭狙ってくれてよあ
Mmm.
んがとなバー
He got him. He got that boy. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, okay. Deserved.
ジジイに教わらなかったか
Right.
獣が狩人の言葉信じるなって
Oh, on the shin, boy. Let's go. Split him in half. Yes, sir. Dead meat. Thank you. Come on, man. Okay, Denji got the new chainsaws in the in the shins. I like it. Oh, we got him. Nice. We got him, coach. Good stuff. Both of them too. Ooh.
ぶっ殺してや
負け犬の声はでけえなてめえは姫の先輩を殺した
All right.
面のいい美人がてめえのせいで世界から一人減ったんだよ
お前には何もできねえだろう公安の犬風罪が
今から大会を開く大会あいいとこに来たな
Contest. What
こちら
contest?
4か早川こいつは姫の先輩を弾で撃っただから
Right.
こいつも弾を撃たれるべきだろ
Okay.
だから大会を開くお互いにこいつの金玉を蹴っていって警察が来るまでに一番でけえ悲鳴を出させたやつの勝ち
正気かお前
You know, Aki with it. Aki gonna be with it, bro.
呼んねえのか
Oh, he in. Absolutely. He's
俺
in.
たちの仕事はこいつを捕まえることだ。
Agi's in.
ああ、勝ったら何くれんだ。
Right.
それはもちろんこいつの玉金や。
Let's go. I like it.
姫野先輩、天国まで聞こえるか。俺たちからあんたへの
Playing a requiem.
レクイエムだ。
We're playing a requiem. This boy is Crollo.
ウーボーさん、聞こえますか。俺たちからのレクイエムです。
Yo, we're playing a requiem. That's hilarious.
今回のテロ事件は沢渡茜という元民間のデビルハンターが発端でした。
The private
彼
sector.
女が
Okay.
銃の悪魔と契約し、銃をヤクザに流しました。
Kane
その対
Sawatari.
価として沢渡はチェンソーの悪魔の心臓を要求していたそうです。
なぜ沢渡はチェンソーの悪魔の心臓を欲しがっ
それが聞き出す前に
Whoa. Are you serious? She did that to herself? Or
た。自殺。
what?
銃の悪魔との契約で自動的に自殺したのかもしれません。
Dang.
今回の事件でビル内から
Dang.
銃の悪魔の肉片を 1.4 キロ押収。ついに肉片が本体に向かって動きました。
Okay, okay.
ついに
Progress.
どこに向かって動いた。
Hey, is that it? That's crazy that it really only has 2 years left. Okay. Whose viewpoint is this? Oh, is that Denji? Yeah.
いつも見る夢だ。いつも見て、いつも忘れる夢。
デンジ、
落ちた、
Pochita.
落ちた。出てこいよ。
デンジ、絶対に開けちゃダメだ。
Whoa. The heck?
デンジ君はさ、田舎のネズミと都会のネズミ、どっちがいい？
Huh? And that's how they ended it. Between the country mouse and the city mouse. What are you talking about? Who said that? Who was that talking? What? I do not know who that was talking, bro. That's kind of... I don't think it was Kogane, but it wasn't Makima. I don't know, bro. That was interesting. Was that a new character? I'm assuming that was somebody we haven't seen yet. But, yeah, that is the ending for Chainsaw Man Season 1, bro. That was fire. Yeah, I don't really know because it was 12 episodes, so it's not that long. So I don't know if next season's gonna be coming soon, or if this is split into like 2 cores and we're gonna get the next one like, you know what I mean, like around the corner. I'm not sure. But this could be it for Chainsaw Man for, you know, next year. You know what I mean? So, well, next year like later on. But yeah, this was fire though, man. Yeah, they got. That was actually, that fight, the battle was pretty quick. I didn't expect it to be over that quickly. Sawatari and the katana sword dude, they were dealt with pretty swiftly. So that was a little surprising, but it made sense because after seeing the whole division and how strong they were, then knowing our guys got stronger too, it did make sense. So that was cool that we got rid of those guys the way we did. And I think Sawatari is dead, but the katana sword, the devil dude, he's like Denji, so I'm pretty sure he's still alive. And we can question and interrogate him. So Makima, I'm assuming, is gonna be dealing with that. And yeah, man, fire stuff, man. That the nut contest at the end right there, that was well deserved. I liked that. The Requiem, a nice touch. I liked it. But yeah, what is Pochita talking about right at the end right there, bro? What's he mean? He can't open this door. What is that door? What does that mean? Denji says he has this dream every time, but then he forgets it. So this Chainsaw Devil thing, bro, like we still don't know why does the Gun Devil fear Denji that much, you know what I mean? And Pochita, actually, you know, because I think this Chainsaw Devil thing, I don't know what the history is with Pochita and all this, but there's something there, bro, that we obviously don't know yet. So very intriguing, and I'm definitely interested to see how that's gonna, you know, unravel. But who that girl was at the end talking about these country rats and whatever, I don't know. Their hair looked like tied back. I really don't know who that was, but if it was somebody that we knew, let me know. But I think it was a new character that we might see in the next season. Very interesting way to end this season, though, just talking about the country and city rats. So I'm assuming whoever that was at the end is going to play a significant role in the next season with Denji. And then, yeah, I think we're going to get a lot more into, you know, Denji's being and how he's able to not really feel the same human emotions as I guess a regular human would. And, you know what I mean? I think we're probably going to get deeper into that conversation between Denji and Pochita and, like, how, you know what I mean, like what's really going on with him. So this Gun Devil, man, it looks like we've got enough of the pieces put together to, you know, track it down. So Makima, she seems pretty certain of that, and I guess these upper division or these upper echelon dudes in the public safety bureau, they're ready to go track him down. So should be fire. Kishibe, I'm sure, is going to be instrumental in helping us you know, defeats the Gun Devil, of course, because he is the strongest according to himself. If I had to pick a favorite character throughout the whole show, y'all probably seen it, you know what I mean, is Aki. I think he was definitely MVP of the show to me. He definitely shined pretty well in this season. Denji did his thing as well. Makima, I'm sure a lot of people rock with Makima too. Makima was vicious with it. But Aki, to me, he's definitely my favorite character right now. Even with the whole the easy revenge cigarette, and then just him remembering Himeno and all that, I rock with that. But yeah, man, fire show, man. Looking forward to the next season for sure. So yeah, if I rock with that, do all that stuff in the description. Catch you on the next one. Stay healthy, stay powerful, stay blessed.
It's a hustler's do, and you ain't did it to a hustler do, and you ain't know it to a hustler new. And you ain't done till the hustler's through. I'm a customer too, this what hustlers do. And you ain't seen it till you seen it from a hustler's view.